Hello friends. Today, I will show you how to install the N8N Platform on our Ubuntu server. There are many installation videos on YouTube right now, but you might encounter errors in those videos. I have prepared this installation in the most efficient way to minimize the errors you might encounter. Now, let's start by opening a server. As usual, I will create a minimum server and use the Ubuntu 22 version. After creating the server, it usually takes a few minutes for it to be ready, but don't rush. Wait for about 5 minutes, and then you can connect to your server's console. First, we will update the modules. Then, we will proceed with installing the required modules. Normally, when we reach the N8N installation, it may take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the server's performance. Don't worry, just wait a bit. You will see moving icons on the console screen. Don't click or run any commands. The process will complete automatically. You can continue by clicking OK on all the windows that pop up during the installation. We don't change anything, and when asked yes or no, just select yes. N8N installation seems to be completed. Now let's check the IP address of our server and the related port. Right now, we will only check if it is working or not. Yes, our installation seems to be fine at the moment. However, for security reasons, access is currently not available. We will not change any access settings here. We will link our N8N platform to a domain name, but before that, we will need to make some settings. Currently, N8N is starting manually. We will automate this by installing the PM2 module to make it run continuously in the background. Alright, we have installed the PM2 module, and now, even if the server restarts, the N8N service will automatically start, and we will be able to access it from the domain name. After installing the PM2 module, we need to install a web module to access the N8N platform. For this, we will install the Nginx module. Then, we will install the Python certificate bot to get the SSL certificate. Finally, we will make our DNS record. After assigning our SSL certificate to the domain name, we will create a redirection file named N8N for proper redirection. We paste the relevant code into the file. Remember to write your own domain name here. After that, we close the notepad. Then we delete the default redirection and activate our own redirection. Finally, we restart the Nginx module and check our website. As you can see, our website is working now. You can create an admin account for yourself here. login, you are offered a free license key to use some premium features. I recommend it. You can enter your email address to get a license key and activate it from the settings. It will enable you to use features like weekly reporting and 24-hour history. Normally, our installation is complete. I am rebooting the server to restart it. Then, I will wait a bit and go to our website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I will try to assist as much as I can.